Synchronizing with its 127-year-long glorious journey, the Assam Club Laban, Shillong today organized a free medical camp at the club premises. The camp is being organized as part of Assam Club's efforts to make basic healthcare accessible for all. A large number of medical professionals from Shillong extended their services in the health camp, open for all irrespective of caste and creed. Various routine medical tests were also conducted and free medicines were distributed among the needy beneficiaries.
It is being organized as a part of the Assam Club efforts to make basic healthcare accessible for all. A large number of medical professionals from Shillong and Guwahati have agreed to extend their services during this health camp.